How to break out of only one nested loop. I have two tab delimited files, and I need to test every row in the first file against all the rows in the other file. For instance, File 1, File 2, let's say I would like to output all the rows in File 1, for which call 3 of File 1 is smaller than any, not every, call 2 of File 2, given that call 1, are the same. Expected output. Since I am working in Ubuntu, I would like the input command to look like this. Python code.py, File 1, File 2, greater than, output. I wrote the following code. However, the output looks like this. This is evident for larger datasets, but basically I always get only the last row for which the condition in the nested loop was true. I am suspecting that break is breaking me out of both loops. I would like to know, 1. How to break out of only one of the for loops, and 2. If this is the only problem I've got here.
Break and continue apply to the innermost loop. The issue is that you open the second file only once, and therefore it's only read once. When you execute, for y in file2.readlines column, for the second time, file2.readlines returns an empty iterable. Either move file2 equals open file name 2, r, into the outer loop, or you seek to rewind to the beginning of file 2.
You need to parse the numeric strings to their corresponding integer values. You can use in Hogue as follows.